Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a bit different from my usual videos. So if you're watching this the day I posted, I am probably up in the plane traveling for work. So the first half of this video is going to be about what's in my work travel bag that I just purchased, brand new bag. So I am excited to share what's inside, and then we're going to do the usual home decor update, what's going on, some things that I've added. As you can see in the back, these are some new things that I've added, so bear with me. I'm sorry this video is going to be short, but well worth it. And if you're watching this, I hope I made it safely, because I am afraid of airplanes, and watching airplane disaster documentaries the day before was not a great idea. So let's get to this video. So first thing is first, masks, the mandatory stuff. Gotta pack some extra masks in the travel bag. Then we have some cute little earrings that I just got from Kohl's in their clearance section. I also packed the expensive earrings if I want to wear them. Of course, a rosary for travels. Can't forget that. My cute makeup purse, which I'm gonna go over just very briefly. If you want an in-depth review on what exactly is in here, that's gonna have to be a whole separate video. But to show you guys just some of my favorite things, the mini Marc Jacobs. Of course, these acne dots for when I'm stressed, and a bunch of acne stuff. My foundation, one of these Sephora lip glosses that I just purchased. And then things like that, eyeliner, and really the basics, and makeup wipes. So that's the gist of the pink makeup bag. Now, going into this, how cool is this? I think the main reason I purchased this bag is for this big open top view, so I can just see everything laid out in front of me. I packed some clothes in there in case my carry-on luggage does get misplaced. I'll have something to go over. I packed some of my gym wear. I packed, this is part of the gym stuff. This is part of the pajamas that I have. A nice little blazer. Just short and nice. And then I have this dress in case I have to put on something really quickly. It's just a nice little Calvin Klein dress that I purchased, I think, from Burlington. And then another dress. So outside of that, I have some notebooks. Fun notebooks. My phone, of course, charger. This Sephora little, I think it was like a rewards thing. Basically, it's also a mascara, hydro makeup primer, and some sort of milk thing. And then I have, little, what is this called? The dry shampoo, because God knows how my hair is gonna be that day. And then I'm gonna put my laptop in here. In this compartment, it has like a laptop area. And then I'm just gonna close it up. And then in the bottom, you can see this has a whole section for my shoes. And then for that, very, very simple. I like to keep my shoes in like another separate container that won't mess up the bag. So we just have 3 shoes. This I might wear actually in the hotel. That's why I'm bringing flip-flops, because I don't know if it's dirty. Sometimes you don't wanna just go barefoot. These flats and the Louboutins heels. So yeah, those are all the 3 shoes I'm wearing. And then for my airport outfit, I'll probably just like wear sneakers and maybe something similar to what I'm wearing right now. I don't know, because we'll figure it out. I still have to finish packing my main stuff. So if you're watching this video, please pray for my soul as I am departing or hopefully landing. This is the end of the video. I really hope that this was good, because I know every Monday I promise you all that I'm gonna upload a video. So despite how tired and busy I was like, nope, I promised my subscribers, so I gotta do it for y'all. So make sure if you're not a subscriber, you do subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you, love you, bye. As promised, here's a glimpse of my decor that's going on now and a sneak peek of next week's video on the coastal nautical theme living room and dining room that I'll have going on. You won't see the dining room yet, so today you'll just see the living room. So subscribe for more fun videos. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you, God bless, until next time.